Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh Muuo and this is African Josh. Guys, now today I have this 2-bedroom house behind me, and this house is quite the affordable house. And for you people who are looking for an affordable apartment to move into, either to buy or to rent, I got you guys. So I want you guys to go inside so we can have a small tour of the house, and you'll also have a look at the environment and the community so that you have a clear view of exactly what you're buying into. So let's get into it. As you enter this place, the first thing you get greeted by is this gate. This gate is standard in all houses. So this is not your main house gate, but this is your security gate. And as we enter, you realize it has this security fixture here, which is so nice because no one can break into your house because this thing has you. And as you enter the place, you have this veranda, which can be used as a chill out spot. But I think for me, I'll just use this as a, I don't know. I don't like shoes in my house, so people will probably have to leave their shoes outside here. Now, the second thing you'll see is your entrance door. This entrance door is a metal door fitted with glass fixtures, and it has the same kind of lock as you've seen in your first gate. So let's go inside so that you can see the rest of the house. This is it, guys. This house is uber big, and I like the way they've contrasted the white walls and the brown floor. This is not wood, even though it does look like wood. This is not wood. This is just tiling that is brown and looks a lot like wood. As you can see from the side, you get huge windows. And there's so much natural light, and this natural light helps you because you won't have a huge electrical bill. As you can see, floor to ceiling technically for the door, and it helps also that the door has a lot of glass to pull in light, natural light from here into the house. And as you can see, this house is an open plan house. So on my left here is the kitchen area, and as I go into it, you realize it has brown cabinet fixtures. So many fixtures, like you can see these cabinets. You will have a lot of space to store your foodstuffs, to store your crockery, stuff, anything in regards to the kitchen, you have space to store it. Now this area right here is kept aside for your cooker. You can even install a cooker hob, which this house doesn't come with those fittings, but you have space for all of those things. And on the other side, you have also space for your microwave oven and your fridge. You can actually place your fridge right here. You can also see that there is an electrical fixture for all those electronics that you have to put in the kitchen. Now guys, one thing I have to tell you is that this place doesn't come with this countertop. This exact countertop has been fitted by the person who has already purchased this particular unit. We're only using this as the show house, but you get everything else behind me will be standard, but this right here, this one has been installed by the owner of the house. Now guys, come with me so that you can see the sink. It comes with a stainless steel sink, and granite countertops are just standard in the kitchen. I like this design of tap because it's so flexible and you can move it anywhere, and the water is already installed, and there's actually two sources of water. They have a borehole and also the county council water, which is two places, Nairobi and Kiambu. They have both, and so you will never run out of water. When water is not available on one side, you'll have water on the other side, so you're sorted for days. Now before we go into the bedrooms, I'd like to take you to the balcony so that you can see what we have there. Once you step into the balcony, the first thing you realize is that you have a huge place where you have a lot of fresh air coming into the house, so that the house will not be stuffy or feel a little bit damp because of air. And as you can see outside, I don't know if you can see from here, but I'll place the B-roll. It's all green. There's trees, there's farms, so fresh air is guaranteed here either time of day. Right now it's 4 p.m. in the evening, and you can tell that the fresh air here is just beating down on us, and we're happy about it. Now on my right side is your laundry area. As you can see, you have a tap which will be your outlet into your washing machine, and this electrical outlet here is also for your machine, which will be your washing machine. As you can see, you have your, what do you call this?
Flow trap.
You have your floor trap here in case you spill water on your balcony while you're doing your laundry. And you also have a utility duct which can be used whenever you have a cloggage in your piping or maybe your electricals. You have easy access to it, and that's it for here. And your gas cylinder will always be outside. So this unit outside here is for your gas cylinder. So you won't have to worry about it either exploding from inside your house, because if anything goes wrong with the gas, it will be outside and everybody.
And it's also contained.
Yeah, and it's also contained because this metal door will make sure that it doesn't go beyond this area. Now this door here leads into the servants' quarters. So this house actually has an SQ, and for many apartments you usually get, for the price, guys, for the price of this specific apartment, you don't expect to get an SQ, and that is one exciting thing I like about this house. So come with me. The first thing you'll notice to my left is that you get a bathroom. This is a bathroom and toilet for your servant quarters, and I like the way it's looking like, because it has tiling on the walls, so the walls will never be dampy or will never be moldy. And I just like that it's white and a little bit of brown here to create a bit of contrast. They have a nice shower head here, which is minimal, and a rod here which can hold your towels, and it's just minimal. I like the minimalism that is in this area. The last thing you get obviously is this sink and a mirror. I like there's a mirror here, so whoever will be staying in this room will have those amenities. The last thing is that this is the space inside the SQ. This is the SQ actually. Right now it's dark, but we'll put on some B-roll there. This is the size of the room. It's not bad. It's tiny, yes, but it will serve the job. You can actually just place your mattress here. I wouldn't recommend a huge bed here. Just a mattress and you're good to go. Maybe some art on the wall if you're feeling a little bit artistic. And yeah. So guys, let's go into the bedrooms. Let's go back into the house so you guys can see the bedrooms. The person who will be here will obviously have a steel door for security, even though I doubt anyone will be entering the house going to disturb them. So through the kitchen again, as you can see, open plan, living room, then the bedroom areas. The first thing you notice when you get in here is a small hallway, and you get a space in here where you can place maybe a credenza, where you guys can be putting your keys. I don't know. There's an electrical outlet down there, so there's so many possibilities with this. You might even decide, oh well, we want a fridge here. Yeah, you might decide you want that huge fridge here.
What about, though you can imagine the fridge is directly opposite the washroom.
Okay. So no fridge, but I don't know. It can be a charging station for your devices, like let's say the, what do you call that thing? Vacuum cleaner, stuff like that, utilities. So on the other side, the first thing you get once you enter this hallway is the guest washroom. The guest washroom is quite huge. As you can see, it has a shower head, which is quite spacious. This is actually quite big compared to the shower space that we've seen in the SQ. And it has your towel holders, and what is this glass thing? I don't know what this glass thing is for, but I'm guessing it's for placing your toiletries. Yeah. Like, let's say lotions, soaps, shampoos. Yeah, and
because that space is not enough to place.
Yeah, because this space here is too tiny. It can't hold a bottle of anything.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the windows too, they are privacy windows. You can't see outside. They've been laminated in some way, so there's security in regards to who sees inside your house. You get a small toilet. I always like testing out the toilets. As for me, I feel like the toilet is small. I don't know, maybe it's me, a big bum, but I feel like the toilet is a little bit low and it's small. I feel like I do not fit quite right here, because I like to sit on the toilet having my phone in my hands for for let's say half an hour. I spend almost half an hour in the toilet. So this can get uncomfortable for me. But for the price, guys, I can't wait to tell you guys the price of the house. For the price of the house, this is actually quite nice. And each room comes standard with this door. It's a wooden door, and it's been what color is this?
I think they've also applied varnish.
Yes, it's been applied with varnish so that they can have a constant or a uniform color inside the house. So each room, the bedrooms, all the bedrooms have this wooden door. So let's go into the first bedroom, which is the secondary bedroom. It's not the master. And as you can see, you get a standard window, standard steel window with very nice lighting. I like the way that natural light falls into the house. And this is good. You get how many sockets? In this house, you get 2 sockets, one on the left, one on the right. And this is good because you don't have to wake up from your bed to go on the other side to make sure that you recharge your things. I like this. And coming standard in the bedrooms is this huge wardrobe. I like the size of it. It's tall actually. Floor to ceiling wardrobe. It has magnificent spaces. It's brown on the outside and white on the inside. I like that contrast. They've really done well with the contrast. So much space for whoever will be staying in this house. I suggest that such a house as this one, for someone who just came across some new money, you might decide this might be your first child's room. They might be quite comfortable in this room, and I like this. This is good for a small family. So you've seen the room, it's spacious, it's good. Let's now go to the master bedroom. Now, remember that this bedroom that we just came from is the one that we'll be using this bathroom in regards to toiletries. This bathroom will be shared with that bedroom and the guests. So whoever your guests are, they come from the living room and they want to use the toilet, this is the toilet they'll be using. Now come to the master bedroom, and wow, for the price again, guys, for the price of the house, I feel like this is a nicely sized master bedroom. For the price of this house, I'd say this is a very spacious master bedroom. This bedroom can fit a 6x6 bed. You can even stretch it to a 7-inch bed. But the first thing you should notice is that natural light in this house is no worry. I like the size of the windows, and actually while I'm standing here, there's a gust of fresh air just coming in through the windows, and I like it. And as you can see, guys, the contrast is standard all through the house. White walls, brown floors, brown wardrobe. Again, I like what they did with the wardrobe because the wardrobe is brown and it has these black handles, and inside the wardrobe it's white. So guys, this is quite a beautiful place. I like the way they decided to put the color contrast here. And I like this spot. Melvin, what do we call this area?
I don't know how to call it, but I know they usually put up a dressing mirror.
Yes, because I think somebody could just come and place a mirror here. So instead of going to prepare on that other sink, they can just prepare here, make sure everything is here. The mirror to just check out everything else. This is quite a huge wardrobe, guys. And this room, this master bedroom, obviously comes and suits with the bathroom. And this is the bathroom itself. Once you enter, you come straight to the far end. There's a shower head. I like the way they place the shower head is high enough. For someone who's taller than me, they will still have space in between them and the shower head. And I like that they have a cold water faucet and a hot water faucet. So you're sorted in that matter. And you get the standard toilet. Like I said, this toilet, the toilet in my house is a bit bigger than this. I don't know. But I can't complain. For the price again, for the price of this house, this is quite the standard. And I like this. You get a sink here, and you have a soap holder on your sink. Then you get your toothbrush holders here, and a face towel holder here. And also you get this light. This light is good for when you just want to come here in the night and make sure you prep up for, I don't know, what do adults prep up for? You guys tell me in the comments. But yeah, this looks nice. Guys, this is the house. The house, it's all in a, what place area is this? This is a 80 square meters. 80 square meters house, and guys, this house goes for 45,000 per month if you're planning to rent. But if you guys are planning to buy, hear me out, this house goes for 5.5 million. 5.5, guys. Even if you're looking at the dollar wise, that's less than what, $30,000? $30,000 there whereabouts, and the house is quite spacious. If you're a young bachelor, I'd suggest you get something like this. You can even start your family here and it can be a blast. So guys, the number will be down in the description. Call us if you want to buy this house. We would like to come over for your housewarming. I don't know, invite us. But this is the house. I hope you like the video. Make sure to comment and tell me what you think. Also tell me in the comments what you would like to see next. Would you like to see more mansions, more bungalows? I don't know, you guys tell me down in the comments. This is Josh Muuo, and this is African Josh. See you in the next video. Peace.